Title: The Unknown Circle, Prophets, Religions, and the Unity of God. Welcome back to our Coffee and Roses channel, dear viewers. Today we embark on a captivating journey through history and spirituality to explore a fascinating topic: the unknown circle. We will delve into the lives of prophets and messengers, their diverse religions, and ultimately discover the profound unity that binds them all together under the guidance of one God. We will also take a deep dive into the extraordinary event of Prophet Muhammad's, peace be upon him, Isra and Miraj, to better understand this profound concept. So grab your favorite drink, settle in, and let's embark on this enlightening journey. Act 1. The Tapestry of Prophets and Religions. The tapestry of human history is woven with threads of countless prophets and messengers. These enlightened beings were sent by the divine to guide their respective communities towards the path of righteousness. From Adam and Noah to Abraham, Moses and Jesus, these messengers spanned different eras and regions, each bringing a unique message and religion. But what connects them all? Each prophet was chosen by Allah to fulfill a specific purpose within their context, reflecting the needs and challenges of their people at that time. They were entrusted with divine revelations, scriptures, and laws tailored to the cultural and historical context of their communities. These diverse religions served as stepping stones in the spiritual evolution of humanity. Act 2. The Unity of God. Now, let's explore the underlying commonality, the belief in one God. Regardless of the time or place, all prophets and their messages centered around the oneness of God, known as Tawhid in Islam. This monotheistic foundation is the thread that weaves together the fabric of religions throughout history. The Quran, Bible, Torah, and other sacred texts all emphasize the worship of one God. Even though these scriptures may differ in their details, the essence of monotheism remains constant. This unity in the belief of God reflects a divine plan to guide humanity towards spiritual growth. Ready for a journey of discovery? Subscribe to our channel and be the first to explore fascinating topics and stories with us. Act 3. The Circle of Love. Prophets and messengers, although sent at different times and places, share a deep love and respect for one another. They are all part of a divine brotherhood, and their unity transcends the barriers of time and space. In the Quran, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is described as the seal of the prophets, signifying the culmination and perfection of prophethood. His arrival did not invalidate the messages of previous prophets, but rather affirmed their truths and brought them to their fullness. Act 4. The Miraculous Journey, Isra and Miraj. To gain a deeper understanding of this unity, let's take a remarkable journey through time and space, the Isra and Miraj. It's a miraculous event in Islamic tradition where the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was taken on a night journey to the heavens. During this extraordinary journey, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, met several prophets, including Adam, Moses, and Jesus, in different levels of the celestial realm. This meeting symbolizes the unity of purpose among all these great messengers, despite the temporal and geographical gaps that separated them. Act 5. Conclusion. The Unknown Circle Unveiled. As we wrap up this intriguing exploration, we have discovered the unknown circle that connects all prophets, religions, and the unity of God. Though their messages may seem diverse, they ultimately share a common purpose: guiding humanity towards the worship of one God. Act 6. Lessons from the Unknown Circle. Before we conclude, let's extract some valuable lessons from our exploration of the unknown circle. 1. Unity amid diversity. The diversity in religions and prophets reminds us that unity can exist amidst differences. Embrace diversity and seek common ground with people of various beliefs. 2. The message of love. Love and respect among the prophets emphasize the importance of love as a universal value that transcends religious boundaries. 3. Tolerance and acceptance. Recognize the importance of tolerance and acceptance of others' beliefs. It's crucial to respect the choices of individuals in their spiritual journey. 4. The continuity of guidance. The continuation of prophethood through different eras underscores the idea that divine guidance is an ongoing process. Seek guidance from the teachings of prophets in your own life. 5. The ultimate message. Understand that while different prophets brought distinct messages, the ultimate message was always to worship one God and live a life of righteousness. If you enjoyed this insightful exploration, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more thought-provoking content on our channel. Act 7. Encouragement for dialogue. As we close this chapter of our exploration, we want to encourage open and respectful dialogue among people of different faiths. Engaging in conversations with people from diverse religious backgrounds can lead to mutual understanding and foster peace in our world. Whether it's attending interfaith meetings, sharing your beliefs, or simply listening to others, every effort to promote harmony and unity counts. By embracing the unknown circle, we can work together to build a more peaceful and compassionate world. Act 8. Final thoughts. In the grand tapestry of human history, the unknown circle remains a profound mystery that unites prophets and messengers from different times, places, and religions. It is a testament to the divine plan that guides humanity towards spiritual growth and enlightenment. Act 9. The fulfillment of the circle, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and Islam. Now let's dive deeper into the concept of how the circle has been closed with the advent of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, and the final revelation of Islam. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is often referred to as the seal of the prophets. This title signifies that he is the last in the line of prophets sent by Allah to guide humanity. With the revelation of the Quran, the final and complete message of Islam was delivered, encompassing the teachings of all previous prophets. Act 10. The Quran, the final revelation. The Quran is considered the ultimate and unaltered revelation of Allah. It is seen as the culmination of divine guidance, encapsulating the wisdom and teachings of all previous scriptures. In it, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, is told to proclaim, "This day I have perfected for you your religion and completed my favor upon you and have approved for you Islam as religion." This verse from Surah Al-Ma'idah 5:3 clearly emphasizes the finality and perfection of Islam as the chosen religion for humanity. In the end, it's not about which religion is superior, but recognizing the spiritual evolution of humanity guided by different prophets throughout history. These messengers paved the way for the ultimate message of monotheism, love, and unity that is found in the teachings of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey through the unknown circle. We hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the unity of God and the profound love that binds all prophets and messengers together. Dear viewers, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating content. Until next time, may peace and blessings be upon you all. To be continued with part 2 soon. Bear with us till then and enjoy our other videos. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmat Allah wa barakatuh.